Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI Mi 9 SE. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now you need to open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Then you need to choose receive on XIAOMI and send on an Android. Now tap on all of those dots and click send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time, so I will click on this one photo, for example, just send and tap on got it. From here there are two different ways to connect. You can input this password over here or scan QR code. If you wish to scan this code, just tap on the scanning icon on XIAOMI, choose allow and point your device camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into File Manager, select in my case Images, click on Albums, and as you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here with my photo in it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!